everybody, welcome to Educational Bytes presented by Acorn Internet Services. My name is Annie Buck, and today I'm going to show you how to exclude semalt from your Google Analytics results. If you're not familiar with semalt, what that is a crawler bot out of a company in the Ukraine, I believe. And what it does is it comes into your Google Analytics and it shows up as a referral. So you can see it if you come under acquisition and then all referrals. You're probably going to see semalt pretty high up in your referrals. They've been running for the last, several months. You can see here on this particular account, semalt is showing up as the 18th highest referral with 14 referrals. And apparently what they do is they use these results to sort of prove to people that they're driving search results or driving viewers to a website, but unfortunately it's just a bot that's looking at your site. People aren't coming from semalt or being referred to from semalt to your website, and Google counts these referrals as actual hits. But you can see here, if we look at this, if we go to just the, where'd it go? There we go, just this, you can see that it shows there were 14 sessions. They were 100% new sessions and 100% new users, and the bounce rate was 100%. So you can see how, especially if semalt is one of your higher referrals, this can really skew your stats and make it look like your bounce rate is much higher than it really is, or that your individual sessions are much higher than they really are. And you don't want to have skewed results on Google Analytics. It's a very valuable tool for seeing who's coming to your website and getting information about that. So today I'm going to show you how to remove semalt from your search results. And there are two different ways. The first way requires having a specific type of Google Analytics on your account, on your site. And so let's take a look at that first. Click your admin button at the top of your page. And when you open your admin button, if you don't have access to all of this, that means that when your Google Analytics was set up, you were not listed as a 100% admin/owner type account. So if you don't have that information, please go back to your webmaster and tell them, add me as a full user on the Google Analytics account, or your SEO company, or whoever is looking at your analytics for you. So the first thing we're going to do is click tracking info here under property, and then click referral exclusion list, which is right under tracking info. And you'll notice right away you get this little warning that says these settings only work with the analytics.js version of the tracking code. If you're using the ga.js version, configure these settings in your code. But we don't need to go to the code. I'll show you a different way to do that. But if you do have the analytics.js version, JavaScript version, you can go ahead and use this method. So you'll see here's a referral exclusion list. Very simple. So you're going to exclude these domains from your referral traffic. So you go ahead and click Add Referral Exclusion and type in the domain, which is semalt.com. Now, this will remove all referrals. So if it's coming from semalt.semalt.com, crawler.semalt.com, it seems like every time somebody figures out a way to exclude semalt, they figure out some way to get around it. So anything that's coming from semalt.com will be excluded from the results, and you just go ahead and click create, and it's that easy. So now you have any referrals coming from semalt.com excluded from your search results. Now let's try another way to do this, which is also starting with clicking the admin tab. This time we're going to go under the view column and we're going to choose filters. Then we're going to choose new filter, and then just name the filter, exclude semalt, whatever. And you can see I've done this many times before, so it's coming up automatically. You're going to choose custom filter, and then you're going to leave it on exclude, and then on the filter field choose referral, which is under the first section, which is content and traffic. So we're going to click referral. The filter pattern is just the website that you want to exclude. So we're going to start with semalt.com, leave it at marked not case sensitive, and then click Save. Then, just because I've heard from other people that have had issues with this, that sometimes just using the semalt main domain doesn't work, we're going to go ahead and create a new filter, and we're going to exclude the crawler. And in this case, you're going to also click Custom Filter. You're going to leave it on Exclude, and again choose Referral. And this time you're going to type in crawler, /crawler, crawler, CRAWLER .php. So that's /CRAWLER.php, and then click Save. And what that will do, it will exclude any crawler that's coming in with a crawler.php extension. And really, you don't want to see any kind of spider, crawler, bot results in your Google Analytics. You want to see actual visitors, human beings. Now, we've set all this up, so going forward, you should not see any semalt results in your Google Analytics. Unfortunately, this does not affect historical data. So any results from semalt up until the time that you set up your filters is going to continue to show up. If we figure out a way to get that out of there, or if Google takes action and excludes semalt automatically, which is what everybody really wants to happen, then we will let you know about that. But in the meantime, thank you for joining Acorn Internet Services for another educational bite, and have a great day.